Hey there, welcome to Why Can't I Talk? Do you often struggle with approaching people and feeling left out in social situations? It's a common fear that many people face, and it can be incredibly challenging to overcome. However, the good news is that it's entirely possible to conquer these fears and become a more confident communicator. This video provides 7 practical tips to help you learn how to talk to anyone easily and confidently, no matter the situation. By implementing these tips into your communication style, you'll be able to engage with others more effectively and form deeper connections. And if you're looking for more helpful tips like these, subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Set an intention for the conversation you want to have. When facing a meaningful conversation, setting a clear intention is critical. Doing so creates a sense of direction and purpose, which can make all the difference. Think about what you want to achieve from the conversation and what you want the other person to feel or understand. Without a clear intention, your conversation can become chaotic, leaving both parties frustrated and unfulfilled. You can approach the conversation with confidence and a sense of purpose by setting an intention. You'll speak with clarity and conviction, and the other person will feel more comfortable and receptive. Additionally, a clear intention can help you keep your thoughts organized and calm, even in highly emotional situations. The simple act of setting an intention can make a significant impact on your conversations. It can transform a difficult conversation into a productive and positive one, and turn a casual chat into a meaningful exchange. You can communicate more effectively and achieve your desired outcomes by setting an intention. Don't leave your conversations to chance. Set an intention and take control of your interactions. Number 2. Show confidence with your body. When communicating effectively, projecting confidence can be just as important as your words. Good posture, a direct gaze, and a warm smile can help you exude confidence and make a positive impression on the other person. Instead of quickly glancing at someone and looking away, take a moment to look at their face and soak in their persona. Then let a warm smile flood your face and overflow your eyes. Maintaining eye contact throughout the conversation, even after the other person has finished speaking, shows you are actively engaged and interested in what they have to say. But projecting confidence isn't just about what you do, it's also about what you don't do. Fidgeting, wiggling, twitching, squirming, or scratching can all be distracting behaviors that take away from the conversation. When a conversation counts, it's important to stay calm and composed, even in potentially stressful or emotional situations. By avoiding these behaviors and projecting confidence through your body language and facial expressions, you can make a solid and positive impression on the other person, which can help you achieve your goals and have a more productive conversation. Number 3. Look for open gestures in others and display them yourself. When approaching people, you must know the signals you're sending. Open gestures such as uncrossed arms and legs and a relaxed posture can signal to others that you're approachable and open to conversation. Additionally, if you want to be approached, try pivoting your body slightly toward the person you want to engage with. This can signal that you are receptive to their interaction. On the other hand, when people feel nervous or uncomfortable, they may be tempted to pull out their phones and scroll through social media to look busy. However, this can send a closed and unapproachable gesture to others, making it less likely that they will feel comfortable approaching you. If you want to be more approachable, put away your phone and focus on being present at the moment. Remember, being approachable can help you build connections and relationships with others, whether in personal or professional settings. So be mindful of your body language and cultivate an open and receptive attitude towards others. Number 4. Start conversations with easy hellos and compliments. Using simple greetings and compliments as opening lines can be an effective way to start a conversation with someone. Starting with a genuine compliment or greeting can immediately put the other person at ease and make them feel appreciated. It's important to ensure that the compliment is sincere and specific, rather than a generic comment that anyone could make. For example, instead of saying, "You look nice," try, "I love your shirt, the color really suits you." In addition to compliments, simple greetings can also be effective conversation starters. A friendly hello or hi can go a long way in breaking the ice and making someone feel welcome. If you are in a more formal setting, using good morning or good afternoon can also be a polite and respectful way to initiate a conversation. It is important to remember that the key to using simple greetings and compliments as opening lines is to be genuine and authentic. If the compliment or greeting feels forced or insincere, it may have the opposite effect and make the other person uncomfortable. By taking the time to genuinely acknowledge and appreciate the other person, you can create a positive and engaging atmosphere that is conducive to building lasting connections. Number 5. Look for cues of engagement to find conversation sparks. Looking for engagement cues is essential to find conversation sparks when engaging in a conversation. These cues include raised eyebrows, which indicate interest in the topic. Also, find mutual likes or interests to keep the conversation going. In romance, intense eye contact can be a turn-on, transmitting the message of "I can't take my eyes off you" or "I only have eyes for you." Listening carefully to your conversation partner's every word is vital, as looking for clues to their preferred topics. Intelligent people will understand that they grow more by listening than by talking. Never give a one-word answer about where you're from. Instead, ask, "How do you spend most of your time?" A sure sign of somebody is the absence of the question, "What do you do?" When you have something in common, waiting before revealing it to them is better. This way they will be more impressed and moved by the fact you have something in common. Instead of complimenting their work directly, try expressing how it has pleased you. It's also helpful to subconsciously mirror their movement style, making them feel more comfortable around you. People tend to be more receptive to those who share similar values in life, so try to find common ground with the person you're speaking with. If you hear something complimentary about someone, go up to them and deliver the compliment. Using someone's name can also grab their attention and keep them engaged, mainly when speaking on the phone. Finally, don't be afraid to publicly commend or applaud someone you agree with. This shows you are actively engaged and interested in what they say. Number 6. Position yourself strategically to start conversations. When attending social gatherings, approaching strangers and starting conversations can be intimidating. However, there are strategic ways to position yourself to increase the likelihood of meeting new people. One option is to stand at the bar or near the exit, as these are natural areas where people tend to congregate. It's important to avoid standing in corners or against walls, as this can give off the impression you're trying to hide. Another key factor is to avoid holding your phone in your hand. Not only can it be distracting and unapproachable, but it can also make you look like you're not interested in engaging with those around you. Instead, hold a drink in your hand, which can help ease any nerves and make you appear more open and approachable. If you're struggling to make conversation, it can be helpful to eavesdrop on nearby conversations and listen for potential topics of interest. Once you've found a suitable opening, you can approach the group and say, "Excuse me, I couldn't help but overhear your conversation about fishing. I'm really interested in that too." Remember, it's important to approach people with open gestures, such as making eye contact, smiling, and maintaining good posture. By positioning yourself strategically and being mindful of your body language, you can increase your chances of making new connections and having enjoyable social interactions. Number 7. Make a good last impression by future-wording the discussion and expressing gratitude. Leaving a positive and memorable last impression is essential when ending a conversation. One effective way to do this is by future-wording the discussion, expressing gratitude and delivering a sincere compliment. Firstly, show signs that you have enjoyed the conversation by expressing gratitude and conveying the sense of goodwill. You can say, "I'm delighted we had this chat, and I wish you all the best with your future endeavors." This not only conveys positively, but also helps to leave a lasting impression. Secondly, try to find one attractive, specific, and unique quality that the person possesses and mention it. This is a great way to show that you paid attention during the conversation and genuinely appreciated their input. When you deliver the compliment, maintain eye contact and use their name, which adds a personal touch and makes the exchange more memorable. Finally, end the conversation with a highlight that creates curiosity, such as, "I'm really looking forward to checking out that new restaurant you mentioned," or "I'd love to hear more about your latest project." This helps keep the conversation open-ended and encourages further communication in the future. By future-wording, expressing gratitude, and delivering a sincere compliment, you can make an excellent last impression that leaves a positive and lasting impression. Thanks for watching. Remember, effective communication can make all the difference in your personal and professional life. Be sure to watch the following video for even more insights and strategies on how to communicate effectively. See you in the next one.